Yo guys, today I'm going to show you how to buy a domain name. If you plan to run a website for your agency, for your business, or you plan to blogging, or you have any kind of idea about website, you must have a domain name. So in this video you will find how to get a domain name or how to buy a domain name. So there's couple things you must consider when buy a domain. So I will explain them while I do the video. So I use NameCheap for buy my domain. Currently I am looking for domain to my blogging website. So this video description has link, just click on it and you will redirect to this same landing page. So there is a text box. I just type my domain name. My domain name should be lazy developer. So let's click on search. After that I got some domains. There's lazydeveloper.bike. Don't ever buy those kind of domain. Just try to buy top level domains. Top level domains are .com, .org, .net and .xyz is another top level domain, but focus on .com and .com. So currently I have lazydeveloper.com website, but the domain name is available, but it's 2k. Oh man. I never buy this domain because 2k, it's impossible. But this domain name is really great because it's easy to remember. So there's few things to consider when you try to buy a domain. So I will explain them now. First thing, try to buy a domain name with top level domain, I mean .com, .net, .org, because it will help to rank your domain on Google and other kind of search engine. Okay, so second thing is think your domain name is currently I will show it, lazy developer. Currently my domain is not, this domain is not available because it's $2k. I didn't even make $2k for I don't know. By the way, I am not buy this domain. So now let's search another domain. So I just remove it, then I press lazy full stack developer. First thing, you must have to check your domain name spelling. So just open new window, then type it on Google. After that put the space when space when it needed. I mean you must have lazy full stack developer. So we have to check spelling. So lazy, when I type on lazy, I will type ZI and I press enter. So when I press it, there has the Google show the lazy is wrong. So when I click it, the word will be correct. So always try to check your spelling when you try to buy a domain name. So this is my now my spellings are correct. So let's go to NameCheap and paste on here. So currently lazyfullstackdeveloper.com is available for 8.88 cents. I mean $8.88. So I plan to buy this domain name, but there has few things to consider still. So if your domain name has few words, there must have space, no? So but we can't use space on domain name. So those space will be removed when it convert to domain. So most of guys try to use underscore or this kind of stuff, so don't do those kind of stuff. Not underscore, they will just add characters like this, or they will add dot or something like that. So just don't do that kind of stuff. If there has a space, just let it as just remove the space and use those kind of structure to your domain without using any kind of characters. Also, when you buy a domain, just buy domain with related to your website. If you try to buy a domain for let's see a library website, and your domain will be like mylibrary.com, that is suitable for library website. But if your domain will be coconutmilk.com, that domain will not good for library website. So just be aware about that, and always pick a domain related to your website. So also, if your domain name is short, that will be another advantage to search your domain name by your users. So always try to find short domain name. But currently I don't have short domain name because that's so expensive. Short domain name, I mean basic developer domain. By the way, I will pick this domain name. Before that, I need to check this 100% correct or not. Yeah, it's correct. So let's go, and I click on add to cart button. Okay, it will add to cart. After that, I have to pay $9.06. Okay, after that I will click on view cart. Okay, there has CICANN fee. I don't know about that. Okay. Also, don't buy those kind of stuff. Just buy the domain name only. No, enable this because it's free for forever. So enable who is guarded. Who is guarded mean when someone try to check owner of the domain name, they will not find when you enable this who is guarded protection. So yeah, that will be helpful if you run something like political or something like website. Also, if you don't like to show the owner of your domain, this will be helpful. So always enable it. It's for free. If you buy a domain from something like GoDaddy or other place, you have to pay for this. So don't pay for this. So currently my total is 9.06. So I just click on confirm order. After that, if you don't have NameCheap account, just fill this and create an account. Currently I have NameCheap account, so I will log into it and I will pay. So I will pause the video and I will be back. Okay, now I'm inside my account. So there are few ways to pay to your domain. So you can choose PayPal or card payment as your payment method. So I'm going to choose my card. So I will do it. No, I will use PayPal. So after that I click on continue. Then I am click on checkout with PayPal. Okay, I successfully paid for my domain name. So now I own domain called lazyfullstackdeveloper.com. Okay, now we buy our domain. So when you go to your Namecheap dashboard, after you go to domain list, your domain will be listed here. If you have more than one domain, you will all domains are listed on this section. So this is my new account, so I have only this domain. So this domain should be verified, so let's do it. When you purchase your domain, you will get email to your registered address, so that email will look like immediate verification. Just go to that email. After that, scroll down, then there has a link, click to verify your email address. Just click on it. Okay, after that I think we are good to go. I will just click on here, then I will refresh. By the way, I still didn't get that email because I tried it yesterday. I buy this domain yesterday, so I think that email expired or something. So just there has an email. When you buy the domain, just verify it. After that, you will see your domain without get any kind of warning alert. So if you have any kind of questions, you can just click on live chat button and chat with real person. So he or she will definitely answer to your question. So in next video I will show you how to buy a hosting, and after that I will show you how to configure your hosting with this domain name. So yeah, that is all about the video. Okay, I will see you in next video. Bye.